What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful look. I really love the way it came out, and I really love this lip combo. It is a bomb. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's slow Hollywood time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with primer. I'm going to be using this one by Urban Decay. This is the Optical Illusion Primer. I really love this. It's really good, especially for people who have a little bit of texture or just kind of want a pore filling primer. This is really good. So I'm just going to add some of this and just work it into the skin. I really love how smooth my skin looks after using this primer too. So I highly recommend it. For foundation, I'm going to be using this one. This is the L'Oreal 24 Hours Infallible Pro Matte. This is in the shade 1-4 Golden Beige. So this is what it looks like. So here it is. So actually, funny story, I feel like I've been getting like tan these days, like tanner. So I decided to just kind of like see if my foundations really matched my skin, because I did notice some of them were looking a little bit more like more fair. So I decided, okay, let me just swatch them, and dude, and I kid you not, this was the only one that like matched. Like everything else, I just kind of stored it for like winter time because it does not match at all. So I definitely need to go get new foundations. I'm gonna definitely pick up this one because I really like it, and it's a good color. So that's a little story. And also, like, I didn't really think that I was getting that tan until my foundation started like looking a little off, you know? So I was like, okay, I'm getting a little bit of color. Okay, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more down here just for a little bit more coverage. And just a little tiny bit more. Okay, perfect. For concealer, we are using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Sand. So I'm going to be applying this here. So I don't know why, but every time I apply concealer like to the bridge of my nose, I feel like it kind of picks up the foundation underneath. I don't know why, but it's so annoying. Okay, that's better. So I guess like, okay, now it didn't really pick it up, but I think it's because maybe I was going too hard like this with the wand. So you guys saw I kind of sort of dabbed it on there a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the Huda Beauty powder. This is in Pound Cake. And I'm actually going to set my entire face with this because I also need a new powder because all of my powders that I had were too light. So this is just what I'm going to use for all over. Okay, so time for bronzer. I've really been using this like non-stop because I love it so much. This is the Anastasia bronzer, and this is in the shade Rosewood. So it's such a pretty like bronzer. I love the warmth it gives to my skin, especially right now when I'm a little bit tanner. So I'm just going to take my Morphe R2 brush, and we're just going to start to bronze up the skin. I've also been using this blush non-stop. This is Warm Soul by MAC. It's so amazing. I love this one so much. And I'm using a Morphe R14 brush to apply it. So right on top of that bronzer. So now I'm going to do a little bit of contouring on the nose. So I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer. I'm going to be using this brush. This is the Morphe M6 brush. This is from the Brittany Bear collection that she had with Morphe. or like not the collection, but like the collaboration. There you go. So it's like a trio of brushes like to contour your nose. So I love it exactly for that. And then I'm just gonna go in with the beauty blender and just kind of blend everything out so it doesn't look too harsh. So this is a technique that one of my friends taught me at work because he did my makeup, and I just love the way my eyebrows turned out. So I've been doing this technique for like the past couple days, and I really like it. So basically you just get some concealer and you're just gonna carve the bottom of the brow, and that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and do that. But basically just brush your hair upwards and then carve the brow. So kind of like that. So you see how it already looks so much crispier? Like, I love it. And it also kind of makes it look a little bit more full. So that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna go back with the beauty blender and just kind of blend everything out. And then I'm just taking some of my clear brow gel and just gonna set the hair in place so that it doesn't move or move. I'm going to be using the Jawbreaker palette. I love this palette. I've been using it like non-stop either. So let's get started. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see better what I'm doing. So this is what the Jawbreaker palette looks like. So cute. Okay, so what should we do today? Okay, so I'm taking this is the JS6. This is the collab that Jeffree had with Morphe. I love this little brush too, it's so good. So I'm gonna be using Cone, which is this shade right here. It's like a nice peachy neutral shade. So we're just gonna pop this right here in the crease. So next I'm taking some of this orange shade right here. It's called Suck. So I'm going to go ahead and take it in the same brush and just start to kind of deepen up the crease a little bit. Just the outer portion. So I do want to deepen the crease even more. So I'm going to take some of this licorice shade, which is a beautiful deep red shade. And I'm just going to deepen it up right out here. And just kind of really tucking it here into the socket. So kind of like that. Okay, so now I don't even know what I want to do for the lid, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go into this snack shade, which is this beautiful like baby pink shade. I'm gonna clean off my brush again with the little towel that I have, just so that this doesn't give me that residue of pink and red and orange. Okay, so I'm gonna go into that shade, Snack, and apply this right here into the inner corner and drag it up a little bit. Oh, that looks so good. I don't even know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's so pretty. This shade is so beautiful. Okay, and actually for the lid, I think I'm just gonna go with that Cone shade. So the first shade we use, I'm taking a flat brush this time, and we're just gonna be applying that right here into the lid space. And I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Snack shade and just kind of lightly apply it here to that lid area. I'm going to work on the lower lash line now, so I'm going to take a little bit of that Suck shade, the orange, and just work it underneath the lower lash line. And then right underneath that, we're going to go back into that Cone shade and add it right underneath that orange. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my top lashes and my bottom lashes and apply some lashes as well. And I'm gonna be using the Roller Lash by Benefit, so I'll be right back to show you what lashes I use. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I put the mascara on, I put the lashes on, and I actually used MAC lashes today. These are the 35s, but I did 2 pairs, so I stacked them together and then they created this beautiful thick lash. And I feel like it looks so good. So that's a cute little tip, or cute, I don't know why I said cute, but that's a nice little tip if you want your lashes to look a little thicker. So we're pretty much almost done. I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight. This is the Anastasia Times Amrezy highlight. So pretty. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to the high points of my cheekbones. Alright, and then I'm also gonna add a little bit of this to my nose. Okay, so now for the lips. I don't know if I want to do something like neutral-ish or if I should do something like bold, but maybe I'll do nude since I have like colorful eyes. So I'm going to take this lip pencil by Morphe. This is called Foolish. It's kind of like a pink shade. So I'm just going to wipe my lips real quick. Okay. And for the lipstick itself, I'm using this one by MAC. This is such a pretty color. I love it. It's called Viva Glam 2. So I'm going to be using this for the center. Ooh. And I'm going to be using this Plenty of Pout Plumping Lip Gloss. This is by MAC. Just put this on the center. And then I'm going to finish off with my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. This is for oil control. So refreshing. It's literally so hot right now, but that was so nice. Okay. Alright you guys, so that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed the look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already so you can be part of this Hollywood star family. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!